See the vascularization there?
Yes, clear development.
Look at this one, almost ready.
Transferring it now, handle with care.
These trays are ready for transfer to Section B.
Okay, I'll log the count on the waterproof pad now.
Levels are stable on this side.
Yeah. Ready for the next batch when you are. Caliper reading is 45 centimeters.
Eyes clear. Log that entry, please.
Hand me the ruler.
Here you go. It needs to be exactly 3 meters from the filtration intake.
Logging the placement now.
All right, bring them in slowly.
Recording arrival now. Weight is logged.
Ensure those restraints are fully lubricated before we start.
They are cycling smoothly now.
Staging the sterile tools.
Factory team, Transport 2 is approaching the main road now. We anticipate arrival within the hour. Please confirm readiness for processing.
All right, bring it back. Straighten out now. Easy, easy. Hold it right there.
Straps are secure. Bring it forward slowly.
Copy that. Watch the grade on your side.
Unit 455 logged and cleared.
Gate clear. Moving to Station 3. Copy that. Secure the partition.
Sequence confirmed.
Initiating transfer in 3, 2. Check the thickness on this one.
It looks good. Grade A.
Wait, I found a small imperfection near the edge.
Bring the next pallet over here. All right, watch the steam. Temperature check on line 3. Cycle 7-4. Pressure nominal. Engage rotation. These hides are ready. Move them to the racks. Drainage checked. I'm signing off on the batch. How many panels did we finish on the crock embossing today?
35, marking it down now for the supervisor.
Measurements confirmed within tolerance.
Excellent. These are approved for stitching.
Check the tension on the heavy-duty spools. We can't afford snap threads on this batch.
Tension is calibrated, Supervisor. Ready to proceed.
Alignment on panel 3 is slightly off. Bring it a millimeter to the left.
Align the zipper track right here before stapling. Got it. I'll secure the lining first.